guys, it's almost Thanksgiving. We made it. Let's hear us a round of applause. Let's also hear it for our Bravery November winners. We have a lot to do today, so you guys need to be the very best audience you can be. So when I put up a 0, I need you to be at a 0. We're going to start with some announcements from Student Council, so give them your very best listening ears.
K-Kids News. A huge thank you to everybody who helped with our biggest turkey fundraiser. We raised $350. Your generosity makes a big difference.
We also appreciate everyone who donated canned goods for the outreach for veterans. Miss Reben delivered them right before Veterans Day, and they were so grateful.
Please keep the Tackled with Love initiative going strong. We want every classroom to feel the love and support from our K-Kids community. Thank you for making kindness happen.
They did such a nice job. All right, guys, we have, like I said, we have a lot to do, so we're going to get started with our November Bravery winners. We are going to start with kindergarten. From Mrs. Naimi's class, Claire Saar. From Mrs. Ronaldo's class, Aviana Paradis Oliveras. From Mrs. Zalznak's class, Razi Mar. And from Miss Ricola's class, Gia Mendez. Good job, kindergarten. Moving on to first grade from Mrs. Menino's class, Giovanni Conrado. From Mrs. Alicia's class, Francesca Perigo. From Mrs. Elder's class, Natalia Del Monte Nieves. From Mrs. Santiago's class, Davis Symbiana Loja. Good job, first grade. Moving on to second grade from Mrs. Capero's class, Amy Diaz. From Mrs. Colucci's class, Jackson Mendez. From Miss Warman's class, Mercy Blue. From Mrs. Supa's class, Camilla Durek. From Mrs. Alahi's class, Serenity Matzer. Here, Good job, second grade. Moving on to third grade from Mrs. Williams' class, Samuel Amoa. From Mrs. Whiter's class, Mia Conrado. From Mrs. Testa's class, Jason Ray. Jason Rye. We have two winners from Mrs. McEwen's class. We have Julian Soto and Aiden Bacherovich.
Yeah. Hi, Mommy.
And from Miss Vaziani's class, Yakub Juma. I know. Can you guys come in? Come in. Great. Good job, third grade. Moving on to fourth grade. From Mrs. Jackson's class, Saoirse Fega. From Mrs. Parada's class, Reina Castro Martinez. From Miss Wolber's class, Iker Nunez. From Mrs. Gadara's class, Jaycon Takuri. Good job, fourth grade. She's got heels on and she's tall. Moving on to fifth grade from Miss Schaefer's class, Hillary Porwet Gomez. From Miss Tobias's class, Sumaya Bibi Abdul Hakim. From Mrs. Keller's class, Dyla Katazovich. I don't want to say it wrong. Dyla Katazovich. From Mrs. Liberty's class, Lenny Meha Acosta. From Miss Diaz's class, Skylar 2. Good job, fifth grade.
It's so hard to look at me.
Is it?
I don't know why.
Moving on to sixth grade from Mrs. Payne's class, Nadi Wynn. From Mrs. Reben's class, Isaac Amoa. From Mrs. Frucci's class, Muller 2. From Mrs. Kopak, Logan Pitch Mees. Good job, sixth grade. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. Can I have you here? Wait. When you guys get called, will you walk down in the middle or go down that way? Come here. Come this way. Can you sit right here, sweetheart, for now? Moving on to a special area from Art with me, Mrs. Vega, Camila Peña Tejada. Phys Ed with Mr. Caswell, Emmanuel Humagai. Library with Mr. Vega, Jeremiah Rosario.
Gia. 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 Gia.
Phys Ed with Mr. Fasolo, Zinmin Toon.
Gia.
Serenity, honey, you gotta put that away. Put it away.
Johnson.
Good job, special area.
Johnson. Smile.
From Mrs. Galillo's class, Mohammed Nar. From Mrs. Lloyd, Xavier Sue. Put it away, I said. From Mrs. Brown's class, Amelia Than. Serenity, honey, can you move over a little bit with your stuff? There you go. From Miss Berg, Ariel Malachino. Ariel, come on, honey. From Mrs. Banzer, Athena Pitch. Here you go, sweetie. From Mr. Foval, Delaney Ellis. And from Miss Baker, Elman Mervich. Here you go, sweetie. So let's hear it for all of our November winners one more time. And I just want to point out one thing, and I hope that their parents are here. We have 3 sets of siblings on stage. We have Mia and Giovanni Conrado. Can you guys just stand up really quick? Giovanni and Mia, stand up. Stand up. We have Samuel and Isaac Amoa. Stand up, boys. And we have Logan Pitch Mees and Athena Mees. Pitch Mees, where are you? Stand up. So I hope your parents are here. Congratulations. You guys are obviously doing a great job as parents. You guys are really great kids and siblings. Do you want to? It's okay. Or you guys can sit back down. You guys can sit back down. Sit back down. Good job. I know you did. Okay. I'm going to hand this over to our Honor Society teachers. First, hey.
Good morning, Columbus. I'm so happy to announce the names of the students who made the honor roll list. I will be announcing the names in 6th grade. These students have shown excellent behavior in the first marking period. They have grades above 90 for 6th grade and high 3s and 4s in 4th and 5th. They have done all their homework and assignments, and they are positive role models in and out of the classroom. So please come up when your name is called and stand in front of the stage. From Mrs. Reben's class, Emma Nuhanovic, Jenzel Estrella Garcia, Pakilar Say, Precious Dong, Skylin Liggins. From Mrs. Payne's class, Isabella Palmer, Na Dee Win, Damon Musselwhite, Curly Sher, and Mustafa Kadim. From Mrs. Kopek's class, Nur Ahmad, Itzel Gualpa Dutan, Jaylene Nolasco, Leah Silvagnoli, Messiah Solomon. And last for Mrs. Ferrucci's class, Natalia Inario, Madeline Rodriguez Madrid, Kun Ong. We are so proud of you, 6th grade, and we hope to see some more names appear next marking period. Now on to 5th grade.
Good morning, everybody. I'm excited to be up here today to announce our 5th grade Honor Society members for the first quarter. Please come up when your name is called. From Mrs. Keller's class, Muhammad Abdul bin Ana Amin, Ellen Kostick. From Mrs. Liberty's class, Adina Afendik, Tyler Germaza, Jacqueline Meja Benos, Mateo Rosa, Steven Savage, and Benita Saw. From Mrs. Schaefer's class, Hamina Kamano, Pahe Do, Ariella Caraca, Hillary Porret Gomez, and Naila Wells. From Miss Tobias's class, Devin Ung, Lucky Tu, Lindsay Miranda, Amaya Phillips, and Sarwa. Congratulations, 5th grade Honor Society members. Now over to Mrs. Parado with 4th grade.
Down. Dial up.
Good morning, Columbus. All right, on to our 4th grade Honor Society winners. Zinmin Chun, Prince Dong, Charles Suong, Annalie Alexander, Swar Ai, Naba Kadim, Zara Portillo, Janelis Rivera Lozada, Daniel Say, Mirella Tillman, Rosanna Say, Akur Anik, Trim Benaku, Arslan Hazanovich. Congratulations to our 6th, 5th, and 4th grade Honor Society students. Give them another big round of applause.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. You guys can go back and join your class. Guys, we're going to do attendance. So if your teacher told you that you had perfect attendance, when I say the grade, you're going to stand up with your grade, okay? Even though you're up here, okay? Okay, my friends, we are going to move on. We are going to talk about our Perfect Attendance Awards for the month of November. Today is the last day we are in school in November. When we come back on Monday, it is December. So I'm going to ask my audience for a nice Columbus zero. Shh. Okay, we're going to start off with kindergarten. So if your teacher told you that you had perfect attendance for November in kindergarten, please stand up. Good job, kindergarten. Nice job. All right, you guys can have a seat. We're going to move on to first grade. First grade, if you had perfect attendance, go ahead and stand up. Okay, you guys can sit back down. Moving on to second grade. My second grade, perfect attendance. Stand on up. Good job. Okay, you guys can have a seat. My third graders, if you had perfect attendance, please stand on up. Okay, guys, have a seat. Our fourth graders, if you had perfect attendance for November, please stand on up. You guys? No? None of you guys? You did? Good. Okay, sit on down, guys. Fifth grade, if you had perfect attendance for November, please stand up. Good job, fifth grade. And last but not least, my sixth graders, if you had perfect attendance, please stand on up. Let's hear it for everybody that are our November perfect attendance winners. Okay, we're going to talk a little bit about our our December character trait. I'm going to wait for a Columbus zero. Shh. We're going to talk about our December character trait, which is kindness. Kindness has been a foundation of moral and spiritual life across religions and cultures throughout history. Kindness is grounded in the belief that we are one common humanity and we all deserve care, attention, compassion, and affection. Kind people think about the needs and feelings of others. Being kind costs you $0, and true kindness asks for nothing in return, but gives kindness because it is the right thing to do. So some words about kindness: thoughtfulness, compassionate, generous, considerate, selfless, and caring. We are going to watch a couple quick videos about kindness.
Kindness, kindness. Oh, whenever you find this, you will see the world's a better place. Kindness, kindness. Oh, whenever you try this, you could bring a smile to someone's face. Well, it doesn't take much, and it doesn't take long. No, it doesn't cost a thing, no. And there's no way to do it wrong. You can try it anytime. You can plant it where you want, and you can grow it in your heart, then give it out to everyone. Kindness, kindness. Oh, whenever you find this, you will see the world's a better place. Kindness, kindness. Oh, whenever you try this, you will bring a smile to someone's face. And you can put it in your words, in everything you say, in the little things you do, all throughout the day. And you can share it with your neighbor, and you can teach it to a friend, and you can show your mom and dad how the kindness never ends. Yeah. Kindness, kindness. Oh, whenever you find this, you will see the world's a better place. Kindness, kindness. Oh, whenever you try this, you could bring a smile to someone's face. So if you see someone who's had a bad day, and you'd like to try and make them feel okay, just give a little kindness in your own way, because a little bit of kindness goes a long way. Kindness, kindness. Oh, whenever you find this, you will see the world's a better place. Kindness, kindness. Oh, whenever you try this, you could bring a smile to someone's face. Kindness, kindness. Oh, whenever you find this, you will see the world's a better place. Kindness, kindness. Oh, whenever you try this, you could bring a smile to someone's face. Yeah, you could bring a smile to someone's face.
You will see the world's a better place.
If you live in a New York zip code and have 0 DUIs in the last 5 years, listen carefully. I was an insurance agent for 30 years.
A 10-year-old is hoping to make a difference in his community by finding a way to keep kids warm. Walker Lawson has more.
Chase Gadsden gave out coats as one act of kindness he hopes will spread to others.
Well, I wanted to see the smiles on kids' faces when I gave them the coats. I just want to see people happy. Always have a kind heart. Give, if you're not using what you have, give it to somebody because they might need it more than you do.
His mother, who is on active duty out of the country, wanted to help her son chase his dream and called in the family.
They wanted to do something to make children smile, and she said, "Can you just go down and help?" And I said, "Okay, I love it."
So Chase's grandma went to work.
I called the school. I said, "Oh, I don't know what to do." So I called the school, and they told me to talk officer, and he's been amazing, Officer Rodriguez. And he said, "Okay, I'll help you."
It's been a team effort.
She said, "My church sent coats, and she sent coats, and just they sent them out here."
Which allowed them to have over 20 coats for the children.
We could do something to help kids around the community, and what we wanted to do is this coat drive to help kids in need and give them coats, especially ones that can't afford it.
Which makes Officer Rodriguez hopeful for the younger generation.
It's a great thing that kids want to help each other out, especially young kids, smaller kids that are in need.
His family was proud to be there.
A young man's inspiration to be able to give back to unfortunate, or just somebody that just needed a coat.
Again, we want every kid to be warm for the winter.
Officer Rodriguez has some additional coats if you need one. As for Gadsden, he plans on having another coat drive this time next year. He's also itching at finding a way to help kids in the community this summer. In the studio, I'm Walker Lawson.
That was a great video.
You can hear it.
Nobody knows what they're clapping for.
I don't know. It's really bad. Okay, for December, our mindfulness, our meditation is about peace and love. And our positive affirmation, I'm going to teach it to you right now, is learning is a journey, not a destination. So let's try and do that in two parts. I'll say it, then you say it. Learning is a journey, not a destination. Good job, you guys. You got it. Our yoga for December is balance. I'm not going to have you do it today. You'll hear me on the announcements on Monday. We're going to talk about balance. We're going to do some tree pose, and we're going to try and do airplane pose. And we are going to watch one quick video.
Be real. Some days are hard. So I made this list of awesome things that I'm thankful for. Yeah. Sometimes I need reminding that things are not all that bad. So I wanted to share a few, because you guys are my friends. It's great to be alive. And here's some reminders why. First one, bubble wrap. When cats do their tongue, like this. I'm also thankful for the little paw pads that the cats and dogs have and the sound it makes.
On the floor, so just let her know.
Oh, I love them. Hey, turn that back on. Oh, no. Change it. Ah, there, that's better. Music is magical. It can make anything better. Bright music can make a video better. The same goes with life. Singing. I like puppets. Singing. If something's boring, just sing it, and that will make it better. Watching paint dry. It's really cool. Old people who still hold hands. Clouds that look like stuff. One time I saw a cloud that looked like an airplane, and I realized it was an airplane. Imagination. Without it, we wouldn't have airplanes, no internet, pants. We gotta wear them, because if we didn't, it'd be sort of awkward. Pants. Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Clothes with funny names, like Windbreaker. Birthday cake. No reason at all cake. Just cake. Sorry, we filmed this while I was hungry. Forgiveness! I'm Kid President, but I ain't perfect. Ain't a word. We all mess up. Come on. Don't mess up and forget to forgive all the mess ups. Thankful plants undergo photosynthesis, using the energy from the sun to convert carbon dioxide to oxygen, providing us with the air we need to do things like this. I'm bored. Morgan Freeman's voice. Hello, I'm Morgan Freeman. I'm working on it. My voice is changing, but it hasn't changed that much. Food. I go. Burger. I know, I already said food, but this is my list and my rules. Happiness. Sadness. Sad isn't bad. It helps you know what you care about. People. Sometimes people can be really people, but we need each other. Life's better with people in it. Family, friends, you. Just being alive. Sometimes we forget how it's just great to be alive. We're breathing. Some days are tough, but we got a lot to be thankful for. We just have to look for it sometimes. They say if you have food in your fridge, clothes on your back, and a place to sleep, you're richer than 75% of the world. I did not know that. So what would you add to the list? Let me know. Share this video with someone you're really thankful for. Oh, and of course, also this. Dancing! Brad and I are thankful for all of you. Seriously, thanks for giving us and the whole world a reason to dance. So what are you thankful for? Let me know. KP out. Keep going.
we have everybody's favorite part of the assembly, but I am going to tell all of my November winners to go and join their class. Get all your stuff. Let's hear it for them one more time. Not yet, just go to your seat. When we leave, you're going to come to my room.
My mama.
Is she here?
Yeah. Okay, what? Because I want to change. Because I want to
Where is
change.
it? Where is it? All right, our biggest turkey winner this year, as you know, is Mrs. Elder. We would like Mrs. Elder and her entire class to come up on stage. They have a little something special planned for you guys. Tell me when you're ready. You ready? Let's hear it for our biggest turkey, Mrs. Elder.